Just made my riskiest stock investment in Kenya so far. So this month I put 10,000 Kenya shillings in BAT Kenya, and honestly, this one feels very different from my usual moves. Normally, I usually buy stocks that are undervalued, ones that have margin of safety and have strong upside potential. But this time, I bought a stock that many people believe is already expensive. So why did I do it? I did it for a few reasons, but one of the main reason why I did this is because if you own BAT before May 8th, you qualify for a 60 Kenya shillings per share dividend expected in June this year. This immediately got my attention, and I thought it would be a great illustration of how dividend stocks work and a great addition to my portfolio as well. At the current price of around 570 shillings, my 10,000 Kenya shillings buys me a small portion, but the bigger goal here is not just next month payout. I'm thinking bigger than that. BAT is one of the strongest dividend paying stocks in the Nairobi Securities Exchange, and a company with a long history of paying investors, and they always get a lot of attention. BAT has consistently paid dividends for the past 5 years plus. But let me be very honest with you. This is not a safe, easy win. There are real risks you will notice when you doing your due diligence on this company. So first, the stock has already risen strongly, and the current price is a little bit high. Not to mention that price falls right after book closure date. On top of that, illegal cigarette trade has been halting at the company's sales, and reports suggest it controls a large share of the local business. That is serious pressure for any business, in as much as they major in exporting their business. Then there is another big development happening. There will be new leadership, which is expected to take over in June, including a new managing director and a CFO. Sometimes new management can unlock growth, but sometimes market reacts with uncertainty at first. So yes, I know the risk. I know this may not be the perfect entry price, but that's not the full story. I'm starting a position in a company I want exposure to. So basically, that is the strategy. Buy in stages, stay patient, and build over time. There is another reason I made this move. Right now, most of my portfolio is in banking stocks. I own Diamond Trust Bank, which we invested in January. February, we invested in equity, and I also added Kenya Re recently. So BAT helps me diversify into a completely different sector. That matters because smart investing is not just about buying good companies, and it's also about reducing concentration risk. Okay, so quick portfolio update so far. So Diamond Trust Bank, which I bought at 121 Kenya shillings, is now around 147 Kenya shillings and has performed strongly over the past few months. Equity bank stocks I bought at 75.25 Kenya shillings. It has been relatively flat around the same area. Then Kenya Re I bought at 3.13 Kenya shillings. It has moved to around 3.35 Kenya shillings at the time of recording this video, and it's slowly improving. So this month marks a slight shift in the strategy. Instead of only focusing on undervalued growth stocks, I'm adding a high income dividend stock into the mix, because you also want to have a portfolio that is also bringing in high income. Okay, if this works, I get paid in June, which is very exciting. And I'm going to be sharing the updates on how this particular counter is going to perform right after the book closure date, and how our portfolio is going to also perform after that. I'll share the wins and also the mistakes as well, because we're in this journey, we are learning practically while investing. Okay, so I'll be sharing everything with you, so make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel and follow this conversation, because here we learn with real money, real decisions, and real results. Now, tell me honestly, am I smart for buying BAT right now? Let me know in the comment section, or am I taking unnecessary risk in my portfolio? I really want to hear your views on this. And if you want to watch someone build a Kenyan stock portfolio step by step every month using real money, make sure that you subscribe now, because next month could get very interesting. If you're completely new in investing in the stock market and you don't know how the stock market works, I have created a guide. And this guide, you can get it through the link that I'm going to leave in the pinned comment. It's going to guide you on the process of on how the stock market works and how the steps that you need to take to invest in the stock market. For those who already know how the stock market works, but you don't have an investing account, I'm going to leave a link in the pinned comment for you to sign up and create an account with AIB DigiTrader. That is the stockbroker that I use. So far, so good. So I can highly recommend. You can use my link, get your account. It's free and you get it within 3 days. If you don't get it within 3 days, you can call them to follow up. You're going to get your account and start your investment journey. If you don't know how to do your due diligence on investing in stocks, I have done a video highlighting on how to, decide which stock to invest in, or do your due diligence in the stock market. So you can check that video out, and happy investing. See you in our next video. Bye.